Die. Found you. Hello. Do you want to play with me? Hide and seek. I am death. I am God. And you're next. No! So many souls to play with. So little time. Would you agree? Having fun? I hope so. I hope you enjoyed watching all those sealed fates, and you knew they were sealed. You knew what was going to happen to them, and yet you just watched. Although you did more than just watch, didn't you? You took control of them, led them to me, gave them up. You are as responsible for their deaths as I am, Chris. There's something about you, something I can see. I wish to take a closer look at you. Let's talk private, shall we? I will eat your heart. I will eat your soul. I will strip your flesh from your body. You will die at my hands. Ready for round 2. Ready for round 3. So do I. There's a piece of the human mind that responds to fear and violence, almost positively. You're shown suffering of each other behind the safety of a TV screen that separates you from what feels like a different world. It's the means to watch everything happen around you. You may say something is tragic, but human nature is not sincere. It's the way it was since your kind was still banging rocks together, gathering around the fires they only just discovered. You all have a hunter's instinct to enjoy the death of others. The truth is that deep down, you don't actually care all that much. Not when it isn't happening to you. Some, you might say, even enjoy it. Would that be you? Are you worth the attention? If you enjoy the pain of someone's last breath, what if the person was you? Is your instinct genuine? Or are you just another weak, pathetic soul that's all talk?